Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. Let's start with opening the camera app, and first of all let's switch to the video mode. Let's tap on the video. If you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that we are on the video mode for sure. So you can change the resolution just by tapping on this second kind of icon from the right, because it is responsible for the resolution. Just by tapping you can set different options like 4K or 720p, but if you're not the biggest fan of this way, simply unroll the top bar kind of just by swiping your finger from the top to the bottom, and as you can see there we've got the resolution. Let's tap on it, and here we've got three different options just like they were here, so 4K, 720p. Just tap on the option, it will be immediately applied, and from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.